If you didn't already know, I'm a different breed. In my own lane and I'm in a different league. When they hear me spit, they don't dread about the killing of the beat, cause I'm built so differently. Rappers bring the A game when they spit with me. Better tell them ain't a single bit of quick in me. I've been switching gears, hitting different speeds. I don't really bark, you'll get bit with me. Yo, what is up, you people? My Sinagang gang. We're here for Chainsaw Man, new episode. Last week
Denji beat
gross.
the
yes, he did that.
What kind of devil
Eternal,
was that? And then he got another piece of the gun devil.
And he also got vomit in his mouth from Himeno. Thanks for that.
Don't even.
Yeah, and he ended up at her place. So
because she took him.
So we'll see. Ow. So we'll see. I mean, shoot. I'm gonna jump in this episode here.
I don't want to watch it. I'm kidding.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And let's check it out.
I feel like Denji got some stink feet. I feel like she's gonna drink some more.
I know. Bro, the first person, really? Wow. Jeez, that's like a video game.
I know.
That was cool. First person views are always. That was the intro. Well, at least he's thinking about it. Yes. I was about to say props to him for thinking about that. He's like, yep, never mind.
Wow.
Wow, he said no. Gee. That's what I was gonna say, he's 16. I like that. That was cool. That was cool. Yeah, Aki likes Makima too.
Yeah. I don't think you'd want power over there.
No.
She's gonna eat everything.
Absolutely not.
I feel like I'd hang out with power for like 2 seconds and then I'd get so tired.
Unless I'm doing something outside active.
Yeah.
They in a tunnel?
I don't know, but a bunch of people just dropped.
I was gonna say.
She's obviously not dead. But jeez.
What the heck? Bro, what? Just mass
Maybe this is how the gun devil gets to kill
power. No, this is how he gets power. Just random mass shootings and killings, and then like people are afraid of guns again, and then he gets stronger. Are those the rookies?
Yeah.
Not mate last night. Is that the gun devil?
I think that is him.
Or maybe it's not him, he's just... Oh, it's not him. The gun delves after him? Oh, is he a hybrid too? Oh, this dude we've seen in the trailers. I mean, in the themes, the intro. Oh.
Feeling is 3.
It's just so weird, but so cool. Damn, how much years of his life got removed just now
50.
for using the sword? The gun devil's after Denji. Who are you now? He's not alive. Bro, what?
No. No.
Wow, even her ghost spirit devil is like refuses to fight them. That's what we've seen in the intro.
That's the devil she made a deal with.
It's like Netero from Hunter. She just give up her whole arm? It's better work, dude, if you give up your whole arm. You already have.
Aki used the sword.
You already don't have an eye. Oh my god. Bro, what the frick? No way, dude. Oh my god.
I'm so sad.
Bro, what? We didn't even get one season with them, with Himeno. Bro, what do we just watch? First of all, I hope Makiba's not dead. They shot her in the back of the head. Like, yeah, like, I mean, dude, it looked super real, but at the same time, like, she can't be.
But dude,
Himeno...
Aki got slashed in the stomach, and Himeno's, and then her devil was gone too.
That's so sad. This episode really showed us, like, there's levels of, like, devils and devil hunters. Are they, like, an evil organization, like, opposing Makima them, or are they, like, something else? Oh, I like Himeno.
Her power was cool. The ghost arm?
Bro, when she said I'll give you everything, I was like, bro, you already have one eye. And then they seen the one arm disappear and then the other arm.
And her legs.
And her legs. And I was like,
and then,
and then
after all of that, her devil dies.
And it was for nothing because they didn't even kill that machete devil. Like, if he died, it would have been, like, at least an even trade. But, like, he's still alive and she's not. And then, on top of that, Aki lost years on his life because he used the sword and it didn't work. No wonder, like, everyone was telling me, like, this week, like, bro, did you watch Chainsaw this week? Did you watch Chainsaw?
No.
I was like, no. And, like, dude, I was like, don't say nothing. But, like, mad people were like, dude, you have to watch Chainsaw Man this week. I don't even know what to say. That sucks. I almost teared up.
I
almost
so
teared up.
sad. Oh, Jesus. These episodes of Chainsaw and on top of My Hero are making me so sad right now.
This is sad. That reminded me when, was it Eddie or Shigaraki? Where they showed the flashback and then had her or his dad's clothes just on the floor. The story of this show is like another layer. Like, the concept, super cool, original, like a chainsaw, you know, like the animation, MAPPA's such a dope studio, everything was good. And then, like, to add another check, like, the story just got even more intriguing and interesting. Like, that's another, like, layer to, like, why this show is so good. Like, that's what I love about this show. Like, I can't, like, call anything really. Like, something unexpected will just happen. And then the machete devil, like, ripped and cut his way out of the fox too. He did, right? Like, he didn't just open her mouth. Like, he cut his way out.
He cut his way out.
Oh my god.
He draxed the kitsune.
This show is, I mean, they just took a left turn and, like, ripped our hearts out a little bit, but this is a good show. I love the, like, the unpredictableness of it. Like, it's just, if Kon's dead and Aki only has a sword,
dang.
So every time he protects himself, fights or hunts, like, his lifespan is just getting shorter and shorter and shorter. I need to watch this again. Well, I don't know what to say. I need to watch the next episode. I need it now. But thank you guys for watching. I'm sad. Check out my music, all our other content. I'm really sad. That was really sad. Follow us on social medias. Links will be down below. Yeah, that was super sad. And see you guys for the next episode.